Welcome, everyone. Thank you for joining today's session. My name is Yotam Levy, and I lead Customer Insights and Analyst Relations here at Liferay. Today, we're exploring the critical architectural and strategic choices organizations face when evolving their digital experiences. Specifically, we'll be conducting a deep dive comparison between Liferay DXP and HCL Digital Experience, formerly known as IBM WebSphere Portal. Our goal is to move beyond feature checklists and look at long-term architectural fit. Our agenda today covers a few key areas. We'll start by looking at the 2026 market to understand why organizations are shifting their DXP strategies. Then, we'll look at HCL DX and Liferay DXP individually before comparing both platforms side by side. We'll conclude with a look at the economic drivers for migration and a final recommendation on which platform fits your specific organizational needs. In 2026, we're seeing a shift towards unified estates. Organizations are tired of managing fragmented, monolithic suites and are moving towards agile, cohesive architectures. There are a few primary drivers here. First is deployment choice. Organizations need deployment freedom, whether that's SaaS, PaaS, cloud native, or self-hosted, in order to meet their IT strategies and satisfy data sovereignty requirements. The second is authenticated focus. There's substantial interest in delivering secure, role-based experiences for customers and partners. And finally, there's business empowerment. We're seeing a major shift towards low-code tools that allow business users to do more independently without IT becoming a bottleneck. Let's look at HCL DX. HCL DX is a mature platform that remains common in highly regulated global enterprises. Its strengths lie in its granular security and deep customization through extensive APIs. However, modern teams often face significant hurdles. The platform is frequently associated with high operational overhead due to its fragmented product portfolio. And users often report a steep learning curve and a user interface that can feel dated to modern marketing teams. This can result in the need for substantial technical expertise just to maintain day-to-day operations. By contrast, Liferay DXP is designed as an integration-first platform that bridges the gap between public marketing sites and secure self-service environments. Its core value is its architectural stability, combined with a modular design that connects deeply with your existing systems of record, like ERPs or CRMs. Unlike legacy platforms, Liferay has invested heavily in a modern, business-friendly UI. This allows non-technical teams to use drag-and-drop tools and fragments to build experiences independently, while IT is able to focus on more high-value development tasks. When we put the two platforms together side by side, the difference in architectural philosophy is clear. Liferay DXP is a unified, cloud-ready platform, whereas HCL DX is a portfolio of separate integrated products. Liferay DXP offers full flexibility across SaaS, PaaS, cloud native, and self-hosted deployment options, while HCL's SaaS offering is still evolving from its on-premise roots. While both platforms are extensible, Liferay DXP's API approach and out-of-the-box connectors are designed for speed, whereas HCL often requires considerable custom development to meet the same needs. TCO is the primary driver for organizations moving from HCL to Liferay. Liferay's subscription model provides transparent, predictable cost, avoiding the substantial price hike often reported by HCL customers. Because both Liferay DXP and HCL DX are Java-based and Liferay supports standard portlet specifications, the migration risk is significantly lower for HCL customers moving to Liferay than were they to move to a non-Java stack. This allows for a modernization path that preserves your previous business logic while gaining modern low-code tools and faster time to market. So which platform should you choose? Stick with HCL DX if you have a massive, stable investment in that specific ecosystem and your requirements are strictly centered on specialized legacy needs. However, consider Liferay DXP if your goal is to unify your public and authenticated experiences on a single architecture, or if you want to lower your TCO and empower your business users to do more independently. Liferay DXP is the modern choice for the future. To summarize, the choice is between maintaining the legacy status quo or adopting a modern unified foundation. While HCL DX remains present in regulated sectors, its fragmented portfolio often leads to high overhead. Liferay DXP offers a modular advantage that can unify your entire multi-experience portfolio while significantly reducing your long-term total cost of ownership. Thank you so much for attending today's presentation. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, please don't hesitate to visit us online at liferay.com or contact us at sales@liferay.com. Thank you again for your time. I really appreciate it.